Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to add numbers in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, you will need to have at least two cells that contain a value. In this example, I've listed down random numbers in column A and column B. Now, our goal for today is to add the numbers with its corresponding row mate in column A and column B. To do so, we need to select the cell beside those two values that we want to add. After selecting that empty cell, we will go ahead and click the equal sign button. Next, we should go ahead and click the first cell, which is the first item in column A. Next, to add the number, we should indicate a function of addition. We can do so by inputting the plus sign in our formula. Lastly, to finalize our formula, all we have to do is to click on the second cell that we want to add. And finally, let's go ahead and press enter. And there we go. We managed to get the total of 4 and 9, which is 13. Instead of repeating the same step, all we have to do this time is to select the recent result that we just got and drag its lower right corner all the way down to the bottom of the table. And there we go. We managed to get 90 by adding 23 and 67 and 796 by adding 154 to 642. And that is how you add numbers in Microsoft Excel.